Tung 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 sahur cannot see me. Haha. Tung 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 sahur gave up on me. Tung 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 sahur. 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 Hur 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 hur. Tung 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 sahur. Tung 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 sahur. If I brought tung 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 sahur here. Let me try. Hey tung 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 sahur. Hey tung 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 sahur. Want to be ugly as heck. Need come on. Don't run away. Go there. Oh, he can't. You saw that. He can't. Sheesh. What game is this? Didn't even get teleported. I just got trolled. Just stay in the portal. Nothing is happening as you see here, guys.